I know this isn't what I normally do, but I've been playing around with this riff on the bass and I wanted to share it somewhere. So here it is. It revolves around this G to a, what I think is an A. I'm not sure if that's actually an A, but whatever. And this whole chord progression. That's the chord progression, and it's played with some hammer-ons and some harmonics and stuff like that. I'll try it and probably mess it up, but here you go. Let's try it again. It's pretty cool. For those who are interested, it's pretty simple. This G here, we're gonna play it instead of filling out that chord right there. We're gonna leave these two strings, the A and the D, open. So these are always ringing out in all of the chords except for this one here. I don't know what that is. But so on the right hand, it's so it's an open E, hammer, 1, 2, 3. Harmonic on the 24th fret here. And then you bring that whole thing down and do it again, playing this C sharp. And then this chord's kind of weird. I'm just gonna have to look at it. I don't really know what it is. This the D is open, and I don't really know how I play that. And same kind of rhythm, but it's all messed up. And then the same thing all the way down. So yeah, again, not what I normally put on here, but I kind of liked it. Hope you enjoyed.